But the thing I want to sort of focus on a little bit is this space right here, where in this case, I haven't installed an app for a little while. So the system is going to give us a smart suggestion for an app in the store that is going to be one that's suitable for me. As I'm using my PC, on the client, we know which apps you're launching and which apps you're installing, and so we're able to communicate with the store and bring down suggestions that are personalized for you to help users learn about great new apps that are available for them to try out on their PC. And as time goes by, we reuse that space in a smart way to help script the user's discovery of apps first, but then their engagement later. So if I've installed an app, as you see here, for a little while, that space becomes the recently installed app. The user can find the app, they can revisit it, and if they use it enough, it'll move its way up into the most used section automatically. And of course, at any time, the user can drag from left to right to take any of those apps and pin them as full live tiles. So think of this as the user's life cycle of discovery and engagement and reuse, which we're trying to script right into the start menu. There's a whole other area that users are engaging with where we want to bring some beauty and new ideas for how they can get value out of their PC experience, and that is the lock screen. So I want to show you some of what we're doing on lock to help users discover and engage with the value in the Windows ecosystem. So imagine you're a user and this morning you wake up and you turn on your PC or your tablet and you get this beautiful lock screen. Well, in this case, you're using our Windows Spotlight feature, which you could choose to use or not on your lock screen, and it provides a service-driven, personalized stream of information on your lock screen for you. And so maybe in a week you'll wake up and your screen looks a little different. In this case, you say to yourself, man, that is a beautiful and striking image. You're so enthused by it that you move your mouse to the upper right, click on the hotspot, like what you see. And here's a place where you have the opportunity to train our service on which things are interesting to you. In this case, I find out this is the Navajo Loop switchbacks. It's a cool looking trail. I might vote that I love it, and then I'll get more images like that. Time goes by. One day, you see an image like this. Now, this is because we are able, as I said, to understand on the client what your use of the PC is and communicate that data to the service to give personally relevant suggestions. And so I want you to imagine a user who's had Windows 10 for 6 weeks or 8 weeks and they haven't used Cortana yet. They haven't tried it out. And because they haven't tried it out, our service is able to provide the client with a set of options that we can display to help users learn about, discover, and engage with value in the Windows ecosystem. And in this case, you see the image that's suggestive of Cortana. There's a few more hotspots to give you more information. If you click in the upper left, we'll give you a preview of what the Cortana UI would be like. And you could click Give Me a Try, then unlock your PC. We'll reveal the Cortana user experience, and now you can try it out for yourself. Keep in mind, this is personalized, and it's informed by what you do on the PC. So if you're a power user who's been using Cortana, you're not going to see this. Imagine time goes by. You get more beautiful images. Your desktop PC or your tablet always feels fresh with all this great stuff. And then one morning, you might see an image like this. As a tablet user, you maybe have not tried out all the capabilities of your tablet to do stuff like beautiful artwork using the pen. And in fact, here's an app that gives you that kind of benefit that you haven't used so far. And there's a few extra hotspots to help you learn about it. When you click in the upper left, the Fresh Paint app that's in the store is described. And at any time, you could choose to click Get It Now. Your PC, you'd unlock your PC, jump right into the store, and then you'd be able to install the app and try it out. And then a few days go by, and you're back to seeing your beautiful images. We call this feature the Windows Spotlight, and it's optional. Any user can turn it on with their lock screen and then get the value of learning about new things in the Windows ecosystem in a way that's tailored for you, and also get this beautiful stream of images on your lock screen. So that's another way that we're going to help users find and discover value in the Windows ecosystem.